Hey guys, Stevie Strong here, and I'm going to give you a tutorial today on how to install Microsoft Office 2016 for your student's home computer. So if you have a student at home or you're a student and you want to install Microsoft Office 2016, kind of like I have down here in my taskbar on your home computer, this is how you do it. So what I'm going to do is I want to choose a web browser. So whatever you use to access the internet. In this case, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select on Google Chrome. And we'll let Google Chrome open up here, and I'll move it down just a little bit. And what we want to do is we want to type in up in the URL field the website that you want to go to. In this case, we want to go to portal, P-O-R-T-A-L, .office.com. So portal.office.com, and I'll just hit enter there. Takes me to this website, Office 365 website. And in the email address field here, I want to type in my student's email address they would use at school. So I'm the student in this case, so I'll type in Stevie, S-T-E-V-I-E, .strong. So you're going to have a dot in between the first and the last name, Stevie.strong at fwcsstudents.org. So Stevie.strong at fwcsstudents.org. And then when I click on the password field here, it's going to redirect me to a different website. That's okay. It should just keep your email address in there. If not, just retype in your email address. And then this is where you want to type in your student's password. So whatever your student uses at school to log into the computer, you want to type that password in there. So I'm going to type in my password. And then right below that, this blue sign-in field, we want to click on sign in, and that'll take us to our next page. Okay, now that we're logged in, you should see your student's name right in the middle of the screen there. And then down at the bottom here, you see all these little tiles, Word, Excel, OneDrive, Sway. These are actually the online versions of Microsoft Office. So if you've used Google Apps in the past, this is where you would go to use those on the online version. But for this tutorial, we want to look up here in the top right where it says Install Office 2016. Now in the beginning, you saw that I was on Microsoft Windows 10. That's the operating system. If you're on Windows 8.1 or higher, you'll install Office 2016. The same if you're on Mac OS 10.10 or higher, you can install the latest version of Office. If your operating system is older than that, this might say something like install Office 2013 or install Office 2008. But for this tutorial, we're going to click on Install Office 2016. And this little pop-up comes up here. It's just going to tell us how to do the install. And you'll actually follow through with that on your own. I'm going to click Close down here in the bottom. And as you can see down on my bottom on my left of my browser here, if you're in Internet Explorer, it might be in the Downloads folder. But I'm just going to click on this little Setup Office exe file here. And then this is going to guide me through on how to install Office 2016 on my home computer. So just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go.